tablecloths, and everything else to enjoy the season at Ikea's Bring Forward event. Fly swatters, and everything else for the season at Ikea's Spring Forward event.
For the fourth day in a row, stocks were mixed as new reports of industrial losses were reported.
International markets rallied after talk of a trade agreement.
Markets soared today on news that major blue-chip industrials are showing record profits.
We're posted this afternoon after news from the Europe took a real pounding this afternoon after inflation fears contributed.
The Accord for the year 2000. Minimum investment, maximum return. And now for some numbers that will steady your nerves.
Why the switch from toast to Thomas's English Muffins?
It's the Nooks. It's gotta be the cranny. That's enough.
Thomas's English Muffins taste better than toast. Could be the Nooks or the crannies.
Toast doesn't come close.
Thomas's. What a storm!
Only one Thomas's bagel left.
People who love bagels love the taste of Thomas's Bagels. Golden outside, perfect inside.
Hope I got enough. Thomas's.
If you convert a Dodge Ram van for work, you automatically get strength, durability, and the power of a Magnum engine. If you convert a Dodge Ram van for play, you automatically get strength, durability, and the power of a Magnum engine. If you're into converting, here's one strong foundation that automatically fits all. Dodge Ram van. Different.
Start with Boboli pizza crust, then pepperoni. No, extra cheese and mushrooms.
Unlike frozen pizza, Boboli is fresh, like only you can make it. Crispy crust, your toppings.
Maybe that works.
What a storm!
Only one Thomas's bagel left.
People who love bagels love the taste of Thomas's Bagels. Golden outside, perfect inside.
Hope I got enough. Thomas's.
How about lunch?
Yeah, let's go to a steakhouse.
Then we'll buy a couple of sports cars and race to the coast.
No, I'm serious.
This is Wendy's.
Steakhouse Bacon Cheeseburger.
Make that two. He's buying.
Wendy's Steakhouse Bacon Cheeseburger is naturally smoked cheddar and Swiss bacon and sautéed onions in a steak sauce for that steakhouse taste.
Please give my compliments to the chef.
Try Wendy's delicious Steakhouse Bacon Cheeseburger today.
Now, Biggie size any combo and play Dave's Biggie Escape. You can win a trip to Universal Orlando and ride the new Men in Black Alien Attack.
It's out of this universe.
Is your laundry as fresh as the mountain air? It is if you're using Sierra, the fabric softener with built-in mountain freshness. The secret is Sierra's deep action.
Hi there. Got bugs? Well, once they get into your house, there's only one way to get them out. Yeah, call the man, the Orkin man. Orkin's double protection kills the bugs you have now and keeps them from coming back later. Guaranteed. Call the man at 1-800-800-ORKIN.
Our children are really important to us, so we took them into consideration when we were looking for a car. The Elantra offers plenty of safety features. Airbags.
Power windows, power locks, power brakes. Peace of mind with the Hyundai was a big factor.
The warranty's the best in America.
There's nothing that really compares to it out in the marketplace right now. It's a great family vehicle.
Hyundai and the Jimmy Fund, helping kids fight cancer.
Human Resources.
Helga Long, you know our group dental plan, Delta Dental?
Yes, Mr. Walsh.
Well, I need a list of all the dentists in their network, and I need it now.
We chose Delta Dental for our people because Delta has more than 100,000 dentists to choose from, more than any other dental plan.
Excellent, Helga. But I need the W's.
The W. They're here somewhere. No one can resist a sun-kissed orange.
the certified pre-owned BMW 3 Series with 3.9% financing. See your authorized BMW center for lease and finance options.
Yesterday, you could get a pretty attractive door at an ordinary home improvement center, or a kind of tough one, even a sort of energy-efficient one. Today, there's Lowe's, the only place you'll find Reliabuilt doors. With Reliabuilt, you can pick from hundreds of styles and get an energy-efficient door with a 25-year warranty. Now throw in our guaranteed low price, and this is one perfect door. Reliabuilt doors, only at Lowe's, improving home improvement.
You think you know Jenny well, think again. 1-800-JENNY-2000. Choose your own food and how much you want to spend. 1-800-JENNY-2000. Lose a weight, 'cause with the new Jenny Craig, it's your choice. 1-800-JENNY-2000.
Join the new Jenny Craig now and get 50% off, plus the cost of food. Call 1-800-JENNY-2000. The new Jenny Craig. It's your choice.
I was on Celebrity Millionaire.
How did you do?
I'm not at liberty to discuss.
Next, only Rosie. Will Regis himself make Rosie talk? Plus, what's after party of 5 for Scott Wolf?
Well, I don't know if I'm at liberty to disclose.
Next, only Rosie.
Monday at 10, here on 6ABC.
They scoured the globe in search of the world's most extraordinary children, and they found them. Plus, singer Charlotte Church. And we're giving away $50,000. Next, Oprah.
Monday at 4, here on 6ABC.
There's something wild happening at Raymour and Falanigan. Now through Monday, it's Wild Weekend. The savings really get wild when everything's on sale. With wild discounts everywhere. Wild?
Discounts?
Including brand names with the lowest guaranteed prices you've ever heard.
Brand names?
Heard? And speedy delivery in 3 days or less, guaranteed. Stretch your buying power with wild financing. Free for 2 full years.
Now that's wild.
That's Wild Weekend. Now through 9 p.m. Monday.
Why the switch from toast to Thomas's English Muffins?
It was the Nooks.
Granny, Nooks. Toast doesn't have any.
Thomas's tastes better than toast. It may be the Nooks or the Crannies.
Much better than toast.
Thomas's.
Breakfast! Bagels! Thomas's Bagels!
Golden outside, perfect inside. People who love bagels love the taste of Thomas's Bagels.
Thomas's.
It's time I traveled lighter and threw away my maps and made up for the seriousness of my youth with a little madness.
Resist a Sunkist orange.
You gotta stop right there. Good girl.
Today, I'm giving my daughter her first driving lesson. I'm Howard Simpson, auto insurance expert for Liberty Mutual. Teenagers are more likely to have an accident than anyone else. That's why I volunteer to teach kids road safety long before they get their license.
Let's go, let's go.
Whether it's teaching kids in high school or training professionals, we do whatever it takes to make roads safer.
At Liberty Mutual, we help you live a safer, more secure life. It's insurance in action.
You're never too old to learn.
Happy, Daddy.
Is that beautiful?
So handsome.
He is beautiful.
Who should we send it to first?
Michael and Claire.
800 megahertz computer.
Oh.
They're gonna love him. Bye-bye.
Oh, Michael.
Yeah.
We have an email from Amy and Roger. I bet it's a picture of their baby.
MSN Internet access.
What a cute little baby, don't you think? Michael.
And a digital camera for exceptionally vivid images.
Turn on the fun, Best Buy.
Dodge Dakota brings you a startling new advancement. Doors, great big ones, on the driver's side and the passenger side, each with windows that go all the way down. So what's the big deal about 2 great big wide opening doors? Nothing, but 4 is a different story. Real truck, real doors. Dodge Dakota Quad Cab, different.